Here is an example of a typical column chart for an organisation that have provided data to the district nursing project. In this case, a single submission. Each column on the chart represents a submission to that project. Your organisation's column will be highlighted in red if you've completed the relevant question for this chart. If you hover over a bar, you will see the value that that bar represents. You will also notice lines across the chart. The orange line represents the mean average, the green line, the median, and the dotted lines represent the upper and lower quartiles. The values for each of these measures and the submission value can be found in the tables beneath the chart. You will also find a submission count here. Here is an example of a typical column chart for an organisation that have provided multiple submissions to the district nursing project. Each column on the chart represents a submission to that project. Your organisation's columns will be highlighted if you've completed the relevant questions for this chart. The colours of the bars for each of your submissions will stay consistent throughout the toolkit. The submission table at the bottom of the chart will also update to show the values for both of those submissions. Across the top of the chart are a few different drop-down menus. Year. This feature is only enabled for certain projects, but would allow you to toggle between the same chart across different years. Peer group. The peer group drop-down menu allows you to compare to a specific group rather than the full sample. These vary per project, but could include regions, organisation types, or organisation size, to name a few. Selecting an option will update the chart and the measures of central tendency. Alternatively, you can use the highlighter icon to highlight a peer group within the full sample. The selected peer group will be highlighted in green, and the table below will also update. Options allows you to navigate through a range of different options for the chart. For many projects, this involves changing the denominator. In some projects, this may also show you a subset of the data. View. On the far right is the View drop-down. This allows you to see the chart in a different view. There are some other useful features to be aware of on this page. There is an option to toggle colorblind assist. This has been enabled for the purpose of this demonstration. The info icon in the top left will give you information on the numerator, denominator, and factor used to calculate the chart. The Show Codes button will give you the full list of organizations who have taken part in the project and agreed to share their data with one another. This will allow you to determine which code aligns to which organization. The three lines in the top right allow you to download the chart for your own use, either as a PNG, a JPEG, a PDF, or as an option to print.